Welcome to Mitra Institute of Education. We're thrilled to have you here. This is the first video in our educational series, where we'll take complex topics and break them down into simple, easy-to-understand lessons. Our goal is to make learning enjoyable and accessible for everyone. Differential equations might sound intimidating, but they are at the heart of understanding how the world works. From engineering to medicine, they're used to model and solve real-life problems. But here's the truth: many methods out there are complicated, difficult to follow, and leave you stuck with point-by-point numerical solutions instead of a clear functional result. Not anymore. Learning something new, like differential equations, is just like riding a bicycle or learning to drive a car. It takes practice. Nobody ever mastered cycling or driving just by watching videos or reading books. You have to get on the bike or sit behind the wheel, practice, and maybe even fall or make a few mistakes along the way. Of course, when we first start practicing, we make mistakes. Sometimes it even feels impossible to master. But with determination and the right guidance, we improve. Today, many of us enjoy the freedom of riding a bike or driving a car. Learning differential equations is just like that. You just need the right tools, the right teacher, and, most importantly, a willingness to practice. You'll discover a powerful, innovative method that simplifies the daunting task of solving differential equations, especially the ones that even professionals find tough. This approach focuses on the repeated integration of polynomial functions, making it not only more straightforward but also incredibly efficient to work with. Experience shows that it offers remarkable computational advantages, providing results with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're looking for a more efficient alternative to methods like the shooting method with fourth-order Runge-Kutta numerics, the power series method, or the finite difference method, this approach equips you with the tools you need to confidently tackle any differential equation. Get ready to solve even the toughest problems with ease. Don't worry if you're not confident in your math skills. Everyone starts somewhere, and you're not alone. If you're comfortable with basic math, you're already on the right track. In this series, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to master our innovative method. From understanding derivatives and integration to mastering Picard iteration and beyond, we'll start with the basics and build up your skills step by step. So, let's embark on this learning journey together, one step at a time. Once you've mastered the basics, we'll explore the key types of differential equations, like initial value problems, boundary value problems, linear equations, and nonlinear equations. You'll see why nonlinear boundary value problems are the toughest of them all and why most traditional methods make them overly complicated, or even fail completely. But don't worry. Our approach simplifies everything. Whether you're starting as a beginner or searching for a clearer, easier method, this series has got you covered. Our goal is simple: to make math fun, accessible, and enjoyable. If you've ever felt intimidated by math, don't worry, this series is designed just for you. Through clear explanations and step-by-step guidance, you'll gain the confidence to tackle even the trickiest math problems. This is the start of an exciting series of videos where we'll teach you how to solve any differential equation like a pro, or even better. So sit tight, expect to be amazed, and get ready to amaze yourself.